This is what we mean by a multi-tiered system. One that's taking into account academic, behavioral, and social emotional instruction and supports. And we're asking the question, what do all students need first? And then what do some students need? And the answer to that question depends on how much need is there in each grade level or course level to keep kids as close to benchmark or proficient as we can or higher. Everyone has a stake in this. All providers of instruction and supports are an integral part of this system. And it is necessary and essential that our administrators and leaders within this system understand that and can support the groups as they're looking at data and making these decisions and monitoring the impact of those decisions. And because this is different than how we've done it, we need to make sure it's communicated out to parents, caregivers, and the community so they understand how educators are working more effectively and efficiently to meet the needs of students. Therefore, this component of MTSS, what we refer to as shared ownership, is the most important and most impactful part of this whole process. It takes each and every one of you, in some way or another, to focus on curriculum and instruction, specifically at Tier 1 first, and to analyze data and develop systematic instructional responses. If we are not sharing ownership of this process, then we are neglecting our students. If we are only inviting some people to the table to look at this data and make decisions, and then expecting others to carry those decisions out, it can feel punitive. We're doing it to them. Or it can feel permissive. We're doing it for them. The only way to do this well is to make sure that everyone has a stake in it and is participating together in the with quadrant. People are happier and more likely to make positive change when those in authority do things with them rather than to or for them. I hope you have these takeaways. Instructional teams with better collaboration have higher student achievement, and that better collaboration has to happen between and among our colleagues. And that has to be supported by our leaders, because then we will achieve the gains that we are hoping to accomplish. So my final thought is asking you, what can you, in your role, contribute to a meeting where grade or course level data is analyzed? Or maybe think of it this way. How will your colleagues, and by extension your students, benefit from having you at this problem-solving collaborative meeting? Because this is truly how we make change happen.